Welcome to Management 3200 Principles of Management. My name is Rachel Lundbaum. I'll be your professor for the semester. This video will give you a brief tutorial on how to use the course Canvas site, as well as some of the important things that you need to understand about this course. So I am in the student view, as you can see. On the left side is where you will navigate to the different sections of the course. So here we have the syllabus, which is just a link to a PDF of the syllabus. You can click here at any time to view your grades. The modules tab is probably the most important tab because it has all of the content. And if at any time you just want to get to the assignments, you can click here. Over on the right-hand side, there's also upcoming assignments. And if you click on that, it'll take you right to the assignment as well. So let's just go ahead and click to the modules tab. The first module up here is all about just getting started. You can click on the top. This will give you a little bit of an overview about the course and myself. You can either click next or go back to modules. So I'm going to click next. In this section, it has a link to the syllabus. Please take a look at that. It has all the important due dates. It has all the policies, etc. I'm going to touch on a few things in this section that I want you to understand and to be sure you are aware of. So you do have a textbook in this class. It's from Cengage and it utilizes the MindTap software. It's an all-inclusive access textbook, meaning that you're automatically charged to have access to the ebook and to the MindTap software. And then, so all you have to do is click on a link in the course and log in with your email and you'll have access to it right away. If you have any questions about it or you don't want to use inclusive access, please let me know or read more about it in the syllabus. A couple things I want to point out that I think are really important. You will have 4 discussion forums in this class. Each discussion forum is worth 25 points. You will be expected to post an initial post. It's either is analyzing a specific business case or you providing an example from your own work or life experience. Your initial post is worth 15 points, and that is due on the due date. You are expected to read and reply to at least 2 classmates' posts. The idea is that you're engaging or discussing like you might do in an in-person classroom. And your replies are worth up to 10 points. So if you only post an initial reply and you don't respond to anybody, then you can only get 15 out of 25 points on that discussion forum. The reason I do this is because we all have great experiences and great insights that we can share, and I want to make sure that we're given the opportunity to have good discussions in this class. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. I'm going to skip down to, I would like you to read through the attendance policies, the student workload, what I expect from you, what you can expect from me. I'm going to touch on academic integrity. I'm expecting that you're going to be honest and submit your own work. All right. So please don't cheat. Please don't use past exam. Please don't use assignments you've done in other courses. Please do not work with your classmates and if it's not a group project. Please do not put things into ChatGPT and then copy and paste them. I want you to just do your own work. And honestly, we can tell when it's not your own work. So if you are caught submitting something that isn't your own work, you will get a 0 or on that assignment or possibly even fail the class. Again, like you can use ChatGPT as a tool to help you, but you need to go back and find the real source in a valid source and cite the original source. So you can use it to help you to get ideas or get started, but you really need to go and find the source and put it into your own way of your own words and really add on to it. So be very careful about that. I know it's a helpful tool and I know it can be powerful, but I want to warn you that it's not, it can have impacts on academic integrity in your college courses. So be careful about that. If you are registered with the Disability Resource Center and you have accommodations that you would like to use, please let me know that you would like to use this accommodations, and I will do what I can to make sure that I'm as accommodating as possible. If you're ever struggling with something in class, please feel free to reach out to me. For example, I once had a student who said the timer on exams really gives me anxiety. Can I take my tests on paper? Sure, right? If you think that you would benefit by consulting with our Disability Resource Center, you think something would help you to have more equitable access, please reach out to them. The link is right there. That's what they're here for, to help you to be successful. And then same, if you're ever struggling with the concepts in the course, first reach out to me. I'm always here to help. I can hop on Zoom, I can hop on a phone call. If you're in the Kirkston area, we can meet in person. If you would like to request a tutor for the course, please contact our Student Success Center and they can help you out with that. If you're having any troubles with your Canvas technology, here's the contact. And here are some resources from the library that might be helpful to you. Again, you can read all this, but I wanted to touch on a couple of those things. So once you've read the syllabus and all of the information in this tab, you can go and introduce yourself to your classmates. So tell us your major or minor. We get a lot of different majors and minors in this class, so it's nice to know what people's interests are. Your career educational goals, why this course might help you in the future. This is really a chance for you to reflect on how this is going to help you as you progress in your education and in your career. And then tell me some fun facts about yourself. And if you are comfortable, I would love if you posted a picture so I can put a name with a face. And so here's an example of myself, and you can read more about it, but it just helps us to know each other. And I read all of them, and it really helps me to get a better understanding of you as a person and a student. And then once you've done that, you can take the syllabus quiz. It's 10 questions. It's really there to help ensure that you read the important stuff in the syllabus. You can take it as many times as you want until you get a perfect score. I really just want you to make sure you understand the important things in the class. And then it's time to move on and start in the course. So we'll start with chapter 1. We go through the chapters in order. So if you go back to the modules page, you will see chapter 1 shows you the due date. We usually cover in the summer session about 3 chapters per semester, or excuse me, about 3 chapters per week. So please be sure that you are noting the due dates and making sure that you are staying on top of everything. So where it says read, if you just click on this link, it will take you to the Cengage logon where your ebook is. So your readings, these lecture slides, the flashcards, the concept videos, and this assignment are all within that MindTap homework book and homework platform. I can't log in as a student because I'm an instructor, but I pulled it up over here. And so this is what it will look like. And you just click on the chapter and it says read, and then there's an assignment. You can do the assignment, I think it's 3 times. So you'll click on it, it'll bring you here, and it says you have 3 attempts to try to get the best score possible. So usually students find them to help them really find that these assignments help them learn. So I hope that you find that as well. If you ever have questions about Cengage or the readings, please let me know. If you want to opt out of the all-inclusive access for the textbook, there's information in the syllabus for that. So each chapter, there'll be readings. I've recorded a mini lecture, less than 15 minutes for each chapter. There's printable slides, and then there's an assignment for each chapter, and there's sometimes a discussion forum. As we go through the course, you'll see each of the chapters, and there's assignments and discussions that go with each of them. After you get through chapter 9, you're going to have a mid-semester project. It's not huge, so don't get too stressed out, and then a midterm exam. And then you'll do the next 8 chapters, or 9, it's 9, and then there will be an end of a semester project and a final exam. And that's the course. So the course runs June 3rd through July 26th. If you ever have questions at any time, I encourage you to reach out to me. I am here to help you to be successful. So with that, I hope you enjoy the course and have a great semester.